Recently, Mailerlite released a new integration with Squarespace, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can enable it and connect your Squarespace newsletter forms with Mailerlite. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ana Lea. I am a web designer and owner behind Lea Design Studio, where I create custom Squarespace templates and websites for small business owners like you. And here on this channel, I share tech and Squarespace tips to help you work smarter and not harder. So if that is something that interests you, consider subscribing. And now, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm over here in my Mailerlite account, and you're going to want to go to integrations to start the integration process between Mailerlite and Squarespace. So here under featured integrations, I'm going to click on use under Squarespace. And now basically what this new integration does, which is entirely awesome if you ask me, is that not only will it sync forms, but it will also sync up any products, customer details, and order data with your Mailerlite account. So basically, if you sell digital products or even physical products on Squarespace and you want to use Mailerlite, this is the integration that it's going to make it possible to send all your order data to Mailerlite and add your buyers, your customers to a group in Mailerlite. So let's go through how to set it up. The first thing that you need to do is you need to choose a group that subscribers from Squarespace will be added to in Mailerlite. So what you want to do is click on your subscriber group and then select the one that you have. I have a test group here that I've created for this tutorial, so I'm going to select it and click select. And then we need to copy this snippet of code. So I'm going to copy that, and we are going to paste that into the header section of the code injection. So we are going to go to Pages, Website Tools, and Code Injection. And then here in the header section, we are going to paste that code and click Save. And that is essentially all you have to do to make that integration work. Now, as far as the e-commerce goes, you need to repeat the process of choosing the group, and then it starts to differ a little. So the first thing that you need to do is connect the group for your customers. You can either choose the existing one or you can create a new group for your customers. So I'm going to select customers just to keep it simple. And then we are going to say connect Squarespace. And if you have more than one website, it'll ask you which website you want to connect to Mailerlite. Obviously, you would select your website. I'm just going to click Adele here because that's the one we used. Don't mind me with tons of websites over here. But once you connect your website, all you have to do is click Allow. And then this will basically connect the two together. And that's it. Now that your website has been connected, you will notice this Manage button under the group that you connected it to, which means that you can now update the store group. So if you want to sync your store with a different group, maybe you selected a completely wrong one, you would change that here. You also have the option to disconnect Mailerlite from your site here. And lastly, you can synchronize resources to ensure that all the orders are coming through. And if you have more than one website, then you can connect another Squarespace store with your Mailerlite account here by clicking this green button right here. And if you're just getting started with email marketing, I have a separate tutorial on my channel that talks about the basics of email marketing and how to get started. So definitely check that out. And if you want to learn how to build a client-winning website, then be sure to check out my free training, 5 Secrets of a Client-Winning Website. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this. And if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like on your way out, and I'll see you next time.